So here is how to create, market and sell an ebook if you want to start making $1,000 to $10,000 every single month. And guess what? You don't need a lot of followers. In fact, you can start even if you have zero followers or subscribers. And the best part, you can sell your ebook to people all around the world, like seriously anywhere. So let's break this video down into 4 parts. Okay, part 1, pick a good topic that people want. Part 2 will be how to create the ebook. Part 3 will be where to put your ebook to sell it. And the final part, which will be how to market it so people actually buys it. Okay, first thing first, let's talk about the topic of your ebook. You don't want to write just any book. You want to write a book that people actually want to buy. Here is a trick. Think about problem people are trying to solve. People love ebooks that help them make money, lose weight, get better at something like cooking, writing, parenting, feel happier, save time or stress. Let's say you're good at baking, okay? You could write a book called 5 Easy Cakes You Can Bake Without a Mixer. That's a good ebook. Or maybe you are good at managing money. You could write How I Saved $5,000 Without a Side Hustle. Now, if you're not sure what to write about, here's what you can do. Step 1, ask yourself, what do people always ask me for help with? Step 2, go to Google or TikTok and type in how to and see what pops up. Step 3, check comments on YouTube videos in your niche, right? What are people asking for? Once you pick your topic, you are ready for step 2. All right, so now that you have picked your ebook topic, let's make that ebook. You don't need to be a writer or a designer. You can create your ebook in Google Doc or Canva. Yes, Canva, the free tool you can use on your phone or laptop. Here's how to create it step by step. Right, the first thing you want to do is to write out your outline. Okay, so if you're new and you're confused, you don't know where to start, you can use the help of ChatGPT to create your outline, and I'm going to show you right here. The first thing you want to do is to come on here and type chatgpt.com. Now you can do this on your phone or your laptop. Okay, you want to give ChatGPT a prompt to work with. Now let's say the title of our book is 5 Easy Cakes You Can Bake Without a Mixer. So all you need to do is come here and type write me an outline for my ebook title 5 Easy Cakes to Bake Without a Mixer. Start with introduction. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT is going to come up with. So now you can see the result. We have our introduction, we have chapter 1, we have chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, and conclusion. All right, now all you need to do now is to start writing. But before you do that, you want to make sure that whatever ChatGPT gives to you is correct, because sometimes ChatGPT can be faulty. Yes, ChatGPT make mistakes, so you have to go through it and be sure that it aligns with what you want to create, right? Once you're okay with it, the next thing you want to do is to come on here to canva.com and choose a template for your ebook. Okay, so you write ebook template. Now remember, Canva has a free plan and a paid plan. So right now I'm using free plan. I'm going to choose one that is free. All right, now I'm going to customize this template. All I need to do is to change the design, change the font to my taste. Okay, I'm going to start with this. I'll take this. I'm going to take this out and then adjust this to fit in the background. Adjust it to fit the background. If you want me to do like an A to Z on how to create an ebook, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do that. All right, so the next thing, we're going to change this write up, okay, to fit in five easy five easy cakes to bake without a mixer. Okay, so we're going to adjust the size, reduce the font. Right, now I'm going to delete this write up and the one below here. Right, once you're okay with this, you can make it more fancy than this. Right, I'm going to use like a boss just to make the write up more visible. Okay, adjust it a bit. You can change the color of this boss. All right, so this is it. Once you're done, the next thing to do is to start writing. Remember, this is just cover page, right? The cover page of our ebook. So the next thing is to start writing, starting with the outline. Okay, all you need to do is click this add page, go to Canva, copy your outline and paste. Once you're done writing your ebook, the next thing you want to do is to download it. All you need to do is to come here and click on share, download, and make sure your file type is PDF standard. Then you click on download. Once you're done downloading it, the next thing is to upload it in a marketplace. Now, where do you put this ebook so people can buy it? Let me give you a few platforms that works great. One, gumroad.com. Easy to use. You can upload your ebook, set a price, and it gives you a link you can share. Two, payhip.com. Similar to Gumroad, all great for beginners. Three, stand.store. If you are on TikTok or IG, this is a cute and easy tool to sell digital products, not for Nigerians. 4, seller.com. This is a great platform for beginners and it's easy to use. 5, your own website. Now, this is more advanced, but if you have one, go for it. These platforms will collect the money and send the ebook to your buyers. No stress for you. This is the part that makes you money. You have made your ebook, you have uploaded it. Now it's time to sell it. So let's talk about how to market without needing followers. One, talk about the problem your ebook solves. Example, right? Can't save money. Here is how I save $5,000 with no second job. Another example, tired of dry cakes? These 5 recipes are soft and moist every time. 2, post short videos. Use Instagram Reels, TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Don't overthink it, right? 3, use testimonials, even from one person. If someone buys and says, "Whoa, I love this," take a screenshot, share it. That build trust. Okay. 4, use pin interest. This one is great because pin lasts long. Yes, post a pin with the title of your ebook, like 10 ways to lose weight without a gym. Link it to your ebook page. That is it. 5, email list. Now this one is optional for those who want to use email marketing. Now if you are building a list, send emails with tips and add PS my ebook helps you do this faster. Now you know how to pick a money making topic, how to create your ebook without stress, where to upload it, and how to sell it even with 0 followers. If you like this video and you're serious about launching your digital product business, I have a free training that shows you the step-by-step system I use to start making real money online. All you need to do is to click the link below this video to sign up and watch it now. It's totally free. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.